Hello viewers, welcome to Be Wise, Money Wise. Well, I guess most of you might have already watched Saif Ali Khan's and Rani Mukherjee's Tararampam movie. So this session is all about the money mistakes done by the hero of the movie Saif Ali Khan, from which we can take money lessons. This movie is my all-time favorite movie because it always inspires me and gives me a good message about the importance of money and saving it for the time of crisis. So just to recap, Saif Ali Khan, who plays the character of Rajveer Singh, is a passionate car racer who marries Rani Mukherjee and leads a happy life with two kids, Princess and Champ. But unfortunately, he suffers a devastating setback in his career due to an accident that happens during a car race. He survives the accident, but he loses everything he earned so far. After facing so many challenges, he regains his form and becomes successful again. When RV met with an accident during the car race, he ended up paying huge bills for his treatment from his pocket. Had he anticipated of such situations and opted for a personal accident cover or a term insurance, he would not be facing money crunch during medical treatment. When you're hospitalized due to an accident, all your expenses will be covered if and only if you would have opted for a personal accident cover. If a car insurance is compulsory, why not a personal accident cover? Similarly, a term insurance will ensure your family's financial stability in case of an unfortunate event, and when you're not around, your family is financially safe and secure if and only if you would have opted for a term insurance. Although there is no maturity benefit in case of a term insurance, it is a must because it is a pure protection plan that will cover all the expenses in your absence. When RV was doing good in career and earning well, he did not plan for any emergency funds or any kind of money backup, which is why he ended up selling house and other valuable stuffs during financial crisis. An emergency fund is a kind of a financial safety net that will cover all your unexpected expenses or some kind of future mishappenings. Personally, I recommend everyone should maintain emergency funds for two particular reasons. One is unemployment can happen at any point of time, and when that is the scenario, you will be left with absolutely no backup, at least for a short while. So, and second one, especially right now, we are living in a constant threat of coronavirus and we might be hospitalized at any point of time, you never know, and I think you should be prepared for the worst case scenario as well. So I recommend that everyone should maintain emergency funds which should consist of at least 3 months worth of your salary or 6 months worth of your household expenses. Also, an emergency fund should strike a perfect balance between earning you interest and allowing you to easily access your money. So you can temporarily park your money aside either in liquid funds or short-term bond funds, or you can as well go with a high yielding savings account. When Champ was admitted into hospital, they will be facing a huge financial crunch where they will need to pay 65,000 in order to cover his medical expenses. Here problem arises because they did not opt for a health insurance plan. A health insurance policy will provide financial support during times of health or medical related emergencies. Also, after the world has experienced a global pandemic like COVID-19, I don't see any specific reason why one must refrain from not taking a health insurance plan. Also, if you are one amongst those who has not yet opted for a health insurance plan, just don't give it a second thought. Go for it at the earliest possible because the sooner the better. Even as a kid, Princess chooses to give up on junk food and save money, which is something to be appreciated, and we should as well learn that it's not your salary that makes you rich, but it's your spending habits. Investing early trains you to save and set aside a portion of your income. This habit will control all your expenses and it will also prevent you from spending your money on all the useless things and junk. Eventually, you will start to develop better spending habits. You can actually discipline this process by investing in a systematic investment plan, commonly known as SIP. Guys, don't wait for a better salary package or hikes or whatever in order to start investment in a SIP. Better don't delay. Reason being, you can start investment in SIP with as less as rupees 500 a month, and as and when your salary increments, you can keep topping it up. This will eventually speed up your wealth creation journey. Also, starting early means your money will have longer time to benefit from the power of compounding. So bottom line, no matter what, you should learn to prioritize your money and take appropriate financial decisions, because money plays a crucial role during the time of crisis. So point number 1, tip. Term insurance plan. Do not procrastinate on taking a term insurance policy if your family is dependent on you for all the financial needs. I would recommend go for a term insurance plan at the earliest possible if you are the whole and sole breadwinner for the family. Point number 2, IP, emergency investment plan. An emergency fund is a key component in a good financial plan. So I would recommend everyone to have at least 6 months worth of your household expenses in the form of emergency funds. As I mentioned earlier, you can either choose to invest in liquid funds or short-term bond funds, or either in a high-yielding savings account, so that you will be able to access your money at any point of time and it will give you a decent interest. Point number 3, HIP, health insurance plan. The cost of healthcare in India is skyrocketing. So if you want to avail the best medical treatment without making a hole in your pocket, then opting for a health insurance plan becomes no less than a necessity. Point number 4, SIP, systematic investment plan. Investing in SIP is like fueling your wealth creation journey. Allow your money to make more money by investing in an SIP. It is better late than never. If you have not opted any of TIP, IP, HIP or SIP, just go for it without any second thought. I hope you liked today's session. Please give it a thumbs up. Do like, share and subscribe to Be Wise Money Wise.